All right, let's get to it. Last mad dash of the week as we count down to an opening bell that'll be here in about 7 minutes. Want to go back to quantum?
Yeah, well, just because I was talking to Carl the other day about when you want to see a peak in this Sherwood Forest that I'm talking about, the stocks that are pre-revenue or have revenue but not much, particularly quantum, nuclear, you're going to have to see some insider selling. You have to see some huge amount. They've been bid up by retail. IonQ, a total bid up by retail stock, pricing $2 billion equity offering. David, it's not just common stock. It has $93 per share. It's got all sorts of warrants. What that does is make it very hard to short. You don't know what the real valuation of this is. Priced at 93, but I'm just saying, like, who knows what the warrants are. But see, this is what you have. You have retail taking this stock up. And by the way, mostly at night and early morning. And now you suddenly get a huge slug of $2 billion in equity. That's what we saw in March and April of 2000. I don't like this group. You know that. I think that the quantum stocks time has not yet come, although Jen Simon, when you ask him, he says, look, it could happen. But there's a bunch of stocks that look just like this.
The fact that they can sell $2 billion worth of equity, though, at whatever it was, 75?
They're first out of the chute. I think this is the beginning. I think everyone's going to take their cue from these guys to say, boy,
to the point we were making earlier, none of these companies are generating profits, right. So they obviously are consuming capital, and they need it.
Yeah, I mean, it's the way the capital markets work. But
yes.
And I do think that they're real companies. I'm not saying that they're not. I'm just saying that when you see how much stock is being sold after how much the retail market has bid it up, now you need institutional money because the retail can't handle a $2 billion offering. That could be a sign that you got to be a little more circumspect. How about that?
Okay.
I'm not calling for 2000 because this is not the whole market. The whole market was in on 2000. This is just quantum and flying cars, uranium and nuclear and satellite.
Crypto treasury included in that or no?
Yeah, we have to ask. There's a couple of guys that are regular contributors. That's who you ask. Don't look at me. One's sartorially challenged and the other guy is just living high.
All right, we got an opening bell about 5 minutes from now. Don't forget, you can catch us anytime and anywhere by listening to and following the Squawk on the Street Opening Bell podcast.